Steam pouring out of your Breville oven door? Fix it fast. Some steam release is normal. Moisture escapes through the door vent, especially with high water foods like frozen breads or roasts. But if it feels excessive or leaves a mess, here's how to manage it. Step 1. Choose the right rack. Use the center rack for most baking. Crowding food high or low can push steam against the glass, where it condenses and leaks down. Step 2. Give it breathing room. Leave about 4 inches of clearance on both sides, 2 inches at the rear, and 6 inches on top of the oven. If it's jammed against a wall or under cabinets, steam has nowhere to go and builds up on the door. Step 3. Use a roasting pan for wet foods. Cooking frozen lasagna, casseroles, or fatty meats? Place the included roasting pan or another oven-safe tray on the lower rack to catch excess moisture and grease so it doesn't pool and leak forward. Step 4. Wipe the seal and glass. Moisture collects where crumbs and grease sit. With the oven unplugged and cool, wipe the door seal and glass with a lint-free microfiber cloth. Apply cleaner to the cloth, never directly onto the oven, and avoid alcohol or glass cleaner on the LCD. Step 5. Know when it's a fault. Light steam and occasional drips are expected. But if water pours steadily, the door doesn't feel flush, or the seal looks cracked, that points to a hinge or gasket problem. If the seal looks damaged, don't try to glue or tape it. It requires Breville service. If leaks continue after these checks, contact Breville using the Product Hub link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you keep the mess down, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need lint-free microfiber cloths, I've linked the set I use below. Safe on glass and seals without scratching. Thanks for watching, and keep the steam under control.